Just got these ECO-WORTHY panels integrated into my solar system. So my solar system is running at 24 volt. The panels are hooked up in parallel. So my power production yesterday, before the solar panels were installed, I saw at a maximum of 412. That was the maximum I've ever seen. Today I've seen it going up to 550. And that means that the solar panels, the 200 watt solar panels that I put them in, they added about 110, 120. Now, I want to be very, very clear, because even though 110 is not 200, I don't think that they're defective. It's really, really late in the winter, and it's December, whatever. So the sun is almost at its lowest, and the roof, my roof is kind of like the same angle as my neighbor's roof, and it's just impossible to angle them right to the solar panels. So in summertime, when the sun will be exactly where it needs to be, I'm sure they're going to make a huge difference. Are they 200 watt? They claim they are, and definitely added about 120, 130 right now, but not sure. They're a lot smaller. That's the interesting part. They're a lot smaller than the normal solar panels. So that kind of like made me question. They're supposedly high efficiency, but high efficiency means only in certain conditions they will be able to reach those numbers. So I would say maybe they're like 160, and you get 130 in winter, and then when the sun is in the right angle, you get 160, maybe. But I'm still happy with them. I'm going to keep them. They're already mounted on top of the house, so I've added to the system. This is this total potential of this system is 750 watts, because that's how many panels I have, and I'm producing 530. So it's running at maybe 72% efficiency right now. Losses due to heat and other things like those. So if you're thinking about getting the ECO-WORTHY solar panels, I think they're doing great. Each pack has 5 amps. They're rated 495. And I am pulling 20 amps, which is the 4 packs that I have. So it kind of like makes sense, I guess. So yeah, I'm planning to get more.